Oh, man. 18 inches. 18 inches. I can't take it. 18. Okay. Oh, well. Got another snowstorm on the way. Hey, good news. Guess what? Leon's back. Leon. Soul Train. Leon.
You're part of the wolf pack. Okay?
This is the brotherhood right here.
That's right.
I understand.
You're part of the... I have officially lifted the ban.
Thank you, sir. My family thanks you.
I love you, Leon.
I love you back, Bruce. Ebony and Ivory, Bacardi and Cola.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, baby.
Are you kidding me? Joe the Ombudsman is now flirting with Courtney Kealy. That's pretty slimy.
No, wait a minute. Is he actually sending you private messages on Facebook?
Well, with Facebook,
that's
he reached out to me
creepy.
on Facebook.
Stop that.
Funny.
Stop this. Everybody. Well, I mean, knives are coming out in my back. And you hold on a sec, Court, okay? Just 1 second here. Hey, I know you're listening, you creep. Back off. She's in a war zone. She's not your coach. I'm your coach. God. Oh, groupies.
And here in Fargo-Moorhead, we're in the Sweet 16, going down in the Weather Channel brackets. Going down, International Falls. Next, Twin Cities going down.
Well, I pretty much think we're whipping up on International Falls there in your brackets, little Johnny.
Wow, you got to say it. I mean, you guys are a juggernaut right now. I'm looking at the polls right now. You guys have a 2-1 lead over International Falls, but don't take that for granted.
Ebony, Ivory. Which one's which? Living in... Leon's back. See you tomorrow morning on the flag. Sing it!